came in the mail.
Yeah.
I wonder what could be inside, Ashley. Let's find out. Dun 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 dun. Whoa! Look at that! It is our YouTube 1 million play button.
Yeah.
Sweet! Look at this. Wow.
Ooh.
So cool.
So cool.
That's right. Congratulations for passing 1 million subscribers.
Wow, thank you guys so much.
Susan wrote us, the CEO of YouTube, wrote us a nice letter as well. You're bigger than Vancouver, you're bigger than Venice, you're even bigger than Las Vegas. That's crazy. 1 million subscribers.
Wow.
Oh, you've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You're the inspiration for everything we do. Thank you so much to YouTube.
Yes.
Wow,
and
this
you
is-
guys are the inspiration for everything we do.
You guys are literally the reason that we are holding this in our hands right now. Wow, it's so cool. Ashley, guess what?
What?
We have 2! You're gonna get one to hang up in your house too.
Yeah! I
Nice.
can't wait.
This is awesome. This is so big too.
It's so nice.
It's crazy.
Look at that. Gold.
That's us.
Solid gold, baby.
Solid gold. Wait, is it really? Let's take this thing apart.
I don't
Thank you all again,
Oh,
as always.
So cool. This is the coolest thing ever to happen.
Yeah, it's been 6+ years now, and every year's been a blast. Every year we've been doing more and more cool stuff, different
Yep.
stuff. And
So many cool opportunities coming our way.
Yes, and this year's gonna be even more exciting. By the end of the year, oh boy, we have some cool stuff to announce.
Yep.
And some of you have guessed it already in the comments, but we are very much looking to surprise some of you as well.
Yep.
Hopefully
We're
you're
really
gonna love
stoked.
it. Yes, I'm super stoked. All right, thank you everybody.
Thank you guys. We love you. And thank you so much for the support.
Bye.
Bye.